If you want to stop snoring and get quality sleep, listen up.
Most patients who are snorers don't know they snore themselves, and their significant other typically tends to send them to the doctor. And the doctor at that point refers them to us as dentists because it is a dental problem. And the solution for us is the Z-Quiet. Z-Quiet is a dental approach. It fits into the mouth, over the enamel and gums comfortably, allowing the lower jaw to advance forward, opening up the patient's airway. I like the Z-Quiet design because it allows both upper and lower teeth to fit in the patient's mouth comfortably, not having to have the customized impressions or the hassle of the boil and bite device. As a dentist, I recommend Z-Quiet to all my patients.